Why are you and Kiara not friends anymore? This is why. Hi my angels, so today I'm going to be doing a Q&A. It's been a long time. Here it is, you guys have been asking for it for a while and I was just in the mood to chit chat with you guys today. I also just drank an iced coffee and that is when I get the biggest freaking rush. I asked you guys on my Instagram to ask me some questions. First question is, where do you get your nails done? So these are my nails right now. They always are something very jeweled up, very girly, but sometimes I do some like crazy stuff, crazy colors, crazy designs. Favorite, best nail tech there is out there, Jade Tang the artist. She's always on my Instagram, always tagged, so go ahead and check her out. She's the best. I got a question that said, who is your biggest fashion inspiration? And even though if it's kind of weird and it's not really on trend, I'll wear it because I'm like, you know, like this could really work. I could pull it off. But to be completely honest, I really love Kourtney Kardashian's style. She just looked like a carefree goddess basically. What is number one on your bucket list? I haven't really thought about this, but I know since I was a little girl, I've always wanted to have the chance to walk on a red carpet for something that I have done, like the actual celebrity red carpet. Are you Hispanic, and if you are, from where? I was actually born here in California, but I am Hispanic. I'm Mexican American, and a lot of people have been asking me, why don't you do videos in Spanish? But I was actually kind of thinking of doing some videos in Spanglish because I know that I do have a lot of Hispanic viewers and it would be very relatable to you guys, so I think that that would be pretty fun. So if you guys do want that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and also turn on post notifications so you guys can always be alerted when I post, because I'm going to be posting quite a bit, so you do not want to miss out, sis. Where is your favorite place that you traveled to? I just recently traveled to Mykonos. It was an experience. It was beautiful. I just recently went to London and Mykonos and Hawaii just like in a matter of 2 months. I normally don't travel that often, and I also went to San Francisco throughout that time, so I literally traveled to 4 places in a span of 2 months, which is like, what the heck? How does that even happen? I really loved Mykonos and I really liked Hawaii too. Hawaii because of the beaches, and Mykonos just because it was just such a foreign place. I don't know, I can't choose. I just love traveling. Next question is, hey Aidette, you seem so happy all the time. How do you maintain a clear headspace? To be completely honest with you guys, I do suffer with anxiety. That's a whole nother video, so if you guys want a video of me talking about anxiety, my experiences, and advice, let me know. Also give me a thumbs up and comment down below so I can do that for you guys, because I'd be more than happy to do it. I feel like it could help a lot of you guys because there's quite a bit of people that are diagnosed with anxiety, or there's some people that haven't even been diagnosed because they haven't gotten checked out, but they just have the symptoms and don't even know that that's what it is. So I'm here to help you guys and show you guys my experiences. I like to have at least an hour of fresh air. I feel like those days that I'm just trapped inside of my place, I feel like I'm so fogged up in the head and I just catch myself just thinking and overthinking about too many things, and it's just not good for you. So I would say go out, breathe some air, have a walk, look outside, just realize how beautiful life is, and just count your blessings. What setting spray and setting powder would you recommend that lasts long and no flashbacks? Sis, oh my god. So I love the All Nighter by Urban Decay setting spray. This stuff, I've been using it since my senior year. This stuff, whew, let me tell you, your makeup will not budge. It will literally last you till the next morning. This is the LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade Banana Yellow, and I do have a discount code. It's Aidette10, and you guys can also click on the link down below so you guys can have some easy access to get yourself some powder. Go get your hands on this. It's already cheap, plus with my discount code, girl, you're gonna be spending like 2 cents. What ethnicity do you get mistaken for? It's when I was blonde that I was white, or I was Russian, or when I had my hair just like jet black, everybody was like, are you Arab or something? Like, are you Middle Eastern? I was like, no, I'm not. Or like Persian, I would get that too. No one ever guesses that I'm Mexican. It's so weird. Like, people always guess anything else but Mexican. I love your hair. Is it like ombre or balayage? Thank you, girl. So I actually got it done by my girl, Hair by Maribel. I love her so much. She's always on my Instagram tagged. If you guys want to get my look, give her a picture of me. Tell her that you want the Aidette look, the bronze look, so it's like a brown blonde. How does it feel to be 20? Honestly, I'm a little scared because I heard that after you turn 20, or like basically after high school, things fly. It definitely has. I knew it was gonna happen, but now that I'm 20, I feel like, what? I'm not a teen anymore? That's so weird. It's just a new feeling. I know that it's just another year, but I know that 2020 is gonna be a great year for me. What is your Starbucks order? So I normally get a grande vanilla iced coffee with light creamer and 1 extra pump of vanilla. Honestly, I've been getting a lot of questions about like how I got thick. I don't think I am, but like, I mean, people are saying basically, how did you gain weight in the right areas? My trainer actually taught me how to do a lot of stuff, like a lot of weight training and the basics. So I just started to do it at the gym. So I basically started lifting a little bit more at a time, like each time I would go into the gym or like every few days. And eventually I got to like a pretty heavy weight. I feel like my max is 160. And I'll just do some squats, I'll do some deadlifts, and I'll do some donkey kicks and also eat lots of protein. I do have a protein shake after, and I also do eat lots of chicken. But again, this is a whole nother video about my fitness routine. I am gonna do that very soon once I feel like I have the results that I want for me to feel comfortable enough to give you guys tips. I see you're a huge SpongeBob fan like myself. What's your favorite episode? Ooh, I don't have a favorite episode because I collectively love SpongeBob in general. Like, I am the biggest SpongeBob fan ever out there. Like, I can literally recite every single SpongeBob episode if you asked me to. Aren't boneless wings pretty much chicken nuggets? Why are you and Kiara not friends anymore? This is why. Totally kidding, guys. We are totally still friends. I'm here to crush all of those rumors. A lot of people have been having like misconceptions of us not hanging out with different people and like not seeing each other as often. Guys, we literally have been talking since forever. We haven't stopped talking. We haven't stopped being friends. The thing that's so weird about social media is that if you stop hanging out with someone that you used to hang out with for so long, consistently and always showing on your social media, people automatically assume that you guys stopped being friends. Like, Kiara and I literally Snapchat like almost every day. It's not even a big deal. Like, literally all that happened is that I started hanging out with Maggie and she started hanging out with Adiel, and like we still all hang out. And to be completely honest, the times that we do hang out, we don't put it on social media. And we just legitimately got super busy with things. She was doing her business, I was doing my business, and eventually, like, you know, we start hanging out with different people, but I still love her. Like, we're still friends. That is it for my Q&A. I really hope that you guys finally got what you wanted to hear. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys want some more Q&As, let me know down below, and I will talk to my angels in my next video.